All right, everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. Sick week begins. We are rolling in and there is already a pile of people here. Not exactly sure where we're supposed to be going, but we're gonna figure it out. Pulling in, me and Will, getting ready to go. Oh, they painted the helmet. That's cool. Yeah, I didn't see that. That's awesome.
They were power washing last time.
So it is time for us to get here, get SoccerMom teched. We're gonna risk a test pass. See if this thing stays together. If we blow it up today, might be riding in the old truck for this sick week.
Maybe we get somebody to bring the vet down.
Yeah, or we can get somebody to bring Will's Corvette down. Maybe we can ride in that. But let's get to some action. We'll get SoccerMom unloaded. We gotta put it, actually we'll go through tech first. Yeah, we gotta go through tech. So let's get this video started. Appreciate everybody following along. Here we go. All right, well, we have found our pit spot. This place is packed already. I don't think we're that late, but the tech line goes from all the way over there, all the way around the outside of the track and back up this way to where the tech line is somewhere. Tech barn is right over there. So probably 3/8 of a mile long, maybe even a half mile long tech line. So we're gonna get unloaded, get everything set up, get SoccerMom over to the tech line, and then we will be on to, hopefully, a test pass or two, if she survives. Sadly, it's just, we're not sure at this point if we have an electrical gremlin or what. So it's kind of a big question mark. Stay tuned to see what happens. You ready to go to tech, Will?
I'm ready to go to tech. Yes, sir.
We got a few minutes to spare, but we have to be in the line by 1 o'clock. I think it's like 12:30, 40, 12:40. Ooh, we gotta go. Let's see if anything falls off the trailer. First time the trailer's been hooked to the car. No, we don't need to test anything.
We'll see if the hitch falls off.
If it falls off between here and tech, we got a big problem.
Got a big problem.
Here we go. All right, well, we have made it to the tech line, the very, very, very long tech line. Just happened to pull in behind Freiburger and Vinnigan. This is their hot rod for the sick week. They're a little worried about the rear end in the car because it's a stick shift. They got slicks on the car, so everybody's kind of concerned about breaking a lot of things on this trip. Got Derek back there with his 2 cars, his KSR 496. That motor is nothing special. Like, I don't want anybody thinking that's something like we normally do. It's a motor I took in on trade years ago. That motor's definitely not something like we normally build, but I had it laying around. Thought we could put it to use for this week for Derek to keep him on the road for the race. Hopefully it gets him through the week and runs some good times with it. Well, it wouldn't be sick week without having to work on some stuff. And somewhere, yeah, well, yeah. So between loading the trailer up in the back of Will's truck and getting here, our trailer plug got ripped off. We've already doctored it up, but it was ripped out at some butt connectors. So while I've been waiting in this tech line for over an hour, Will ran down to the parts store with another buddy. Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you, Jeff.
Took him down there and we found another trailer plug, so we're gonna wire that up. Got our flag blowing here in the breeze. Oh, come on, you were blowing in the breeze. Okay, it's kind of working. No, y'all know that. Anyways, hopefully we're gonna be making some runs here in just a few minutes. All right, well, we have made it to the other side of the racetrack. It's another several hours later, but we're over in the tech line over here. Got vice grip hiding over there with the Chevelle. SoccerMom's dirty, but we're gonna probably wipe her down tonight, probably. Most of it's like pollen, I feel like.
Well, I think a lot of it, she got a little rain last night moving around.
She got rained on last night getting her in the trailer. It's never good to have a wet SoccerMom, or maybe it is. Anyways, I gotta go buy some sunglasses because I'm already tired of squinting. I left mine in my truck at the shop, which is hooked to a trailer. In case we break down, somebody's gonna fly out to come get us. Well, not fly out, but drive out to come get us. So hopefully we'll get through this tech line pretty soon and we'll hopefully get a pass. We're starting to doubt that we might get a pass tonight, but hopefully we get a pass. Wow, well. All right, well, it doesn't look like it in this video, at least looking at my screen on my camera, but it's dark. You know, the lights are on at the Freedom Factory. They're having a party over there. And for 6.5 hours now, we've been in tech, or in the tech line. Not quite sure what's happening up there. It seems a bit excessive, not gonna lie. I know this is Tom's first deal, so they got some bugs to work through, obviously. It's a little frustrating being here. We missed the track time. The track's already closed for the night. So it's gonna be first run tomorrow and send it. So, here we are. Hopefully we make it through tech. We passed NHRA tech. We passed the light check and the street check. I'm not sure what we're even still have to go through in tech. But we'll be back in a minute to update you. This is gonna end up being a short video because there won't be any track time. But I'll put you up something so you can watch. Hopefully we still make it to the Freedom Factory. I hope. There's everybody over there probably filling the entire inside of the Freedom Factory with all the cool race cars, and here we are over here. Anyways, I've complained enough. See you guys in a minute. All right, well, it's even darker, but we're through tech. Woo. That's about as much woo as you're getting as long as I've had to wait. But I think we're actually gonna head over to the Freedom Factory shop to raise this car up a little bit, because with all the weight we added last night to make our class weight of 3,000 pounds, she's sitting a little low. And we've been rubbing the front tires on the fenders, tearing the tires up, tearing the fenders up. We want to fix that. And we're probably going to even raise the rear a little bit too, because we kind of don't have a lot of tire clearance now that we've got a few laps on the car. Ooh, that's really bright. So if we have to, we might just have to do a safety burnout and take some rubber off the rear tires so that there's more clearance between the fenders. It's called a safety burnout. Look it up. It's a thing. So we will see you guys at the shop in a minute. All right, well, a little change of scenery to end this video off. We actually came over to Cletus's shop, let us raise our front ride height so we'd stop crashing the tire against the fender. And we went ahead and took our spring blocks out of the rear leaf springs that lowered the car basically an inch over stock. So you see old Mullet here. Rumor has it they're gonna spice her up and try to go for a 6 tomorrow. The new engine combination is rowdy. Frankenstein heads, solid roller cam, higher compression, aluminum rods, everything she needed to really be able to beat on it without tweaking a rod like we kept doing it back when we were working on it. And I went 723 tuning on it way back in the day. But I expect that number to fall tomorrow, because we needed like 30-35 pounds of boost to make the 723 happen. But it went a 741 on 20 pounds. So chances are it's going 6s very soon. All you guys that said it wouldn't do it with a small block, it's gonna do it. Probably this week. So that's pretty exciting. Rockstar Ty in the house. Crab works awesome, dude. These guys had to weld up a crack on the intake. SoccerMom's sitting a little higher. Can't tell with these tires on it because these tires are almost 2 inches shorter. But we've got some more clearance here than we used to. We raised the front because sadly, we've already had a break where the tire caught the fender, cracked it up a little bit there, which kind of a bummer. But hopefully that's all we got to really worry about for the rest of the week. We raised the front another ½ an inch or so. So it's time for us to get out of here, get the trailer back on the car. We went ahead and put our race tires on because we know we're going to need them first thing in the morning. Got our mud grip strapped to the trailer. Will's ready to go get some food.
Yes, food. Hungry.
I want some food too. We haven't ate since 9:30, 10.
Yeah, whatever.
And we did some snacking in our 7-hour wait in the tech line. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Appreciate you watching. Tomorrow's gonna have some more action. So check out our new merch stuff at winwithksr.com. Life is busy, but race cars are fun. And all of our other good stuff we got. So thanks again for watching. See you guys tomorrow.